Hello, everybody. It's Mrs. Ayan. I am here today to introduce a new topic for us in third grade. We are going to talk about the author's point of view. And point of view means what somebody thinks or feels about a topic or a subject. So let's see. I'm going to share my screen with you. And we're going to dig into point of view. Okay. So like I said, move this down here. Point of view is the way someone views a situation. Everyone's point of view is different because of their age, religion, experiences, or other reasons. So as you're reading things, third graders ask themselves, what is the author's point of view? Or what is the author's opinion? And sometimes it helps us to ask who is telling the story. That can help us determine the point of view as well. Okay, so when we're looking at author's point of view, good readers are able to determine why the author wrote a selection or how the author feels about something. Let's look a little more closely at finding the author's point of view. The first thing that we do when we get a passage is identify the topic of the text. You're going to ask yourself, what is the whole text about? And that is the topic. The second thing is to identify the author's point of view. How does the author feel about this topic? What is his or her opinion? Underline any reason the author gives to support his or her opinion. Lots of times in nonfiction writing, they will give us reasons or examples of something that they're trying to teach us. Or in opinion writing, they will give us different reasons why they have that opinion. The fourth thing that you do is ask yourself, do I agree with the author's reasons why or why not? And the last thing is ask yourself, what are the reasons that I have for my opinion? If you agree with the author, you could add your own reasons. If you disagree with the author, you have to decide why that you disagree. So again, point of view is how the author feels about a topic or the author's opinion about the topic. All right, before we get to our passage, we're going to review a little bit. So put on your thinking caps and be ready to help me. Okay, it's kind of like a little test. All right, the first step to find the author's point of view. The first thing is we need to identify the, what was that? We had to identify the blank of the text. Think about, what did we say? We had to identify the topic of the text. If you said topic, you were right. Identify the topic of the text. Ask yourself, what is this text about? Number 2, identify the author's, ready? What do you think it is? Point of view. Identify the author's point of view. How does the author about this topic? How does the author feel? Very good. If you said feel, you are right about this topic. And what is his or her, that's supposed to say her. Let's see if you're right. Opinion. Very good. To identify the point of view, you think, how does the author feel about this topic? And what is his or her opinion? Underline any reasons the author gives to support his or her opinion. Ask yourself, do I, what do I say that was? I'll give you a little hint. That's right. Do I agree with the author's reasons? Why or why not? And the last thing, what reasons do I have for my opinion? Okay, those are the 5 things that we're going to do. Identify the topic, determine what do we think the author's point of view is, find the reasons, ask if we agree, and what reasons do we have for that opinion. All right, are you ready? We're going to dig in. We're going to take a look at this passage. It's called Pizza, Please. Even the picture looks good. They're enjoying some pizza and they're smiling. That gives me a good clue already about how the author might feel. Pizza, please. Crispy crust, gooey cheese, and scrumptious toppings. Pizza is the best food ever. Pizza is amazing because you have so many varieties. Are you feeling in the mood for something fresh? Have pizza with spinach and tomatoes on it. Are you craving something sweet? Enjoy a Hawaiian pizza with pineapple and ham. The possibilities and toppings are endless. You can never get tired of eating this amazing food. Pizza is a crowd pleaser. Almost everyone loves pizza. If you have a large group of people to feed, rest assured, everyone will enjoy an appetizing pizza. You can order pizza from your local restaurant. You can even make it yourself. Pizza is convenient because you can make it yourself. It is easy to make dough with flour and water. Add any toppings you like. Bake your pizza in the oven for 15 minutes. And there you have it, a delicious dinner that takes no time at all. You can also make a pizza on French bread or an English muffin to save more time. Pizza is a meal you will never get sick of. There are so many varieties. Well, the first thing I said I was going to do was identify the topic. Okay. Well, I feel like did a pretty good job with the topic. The topic for sure is pizza. Okay. How does the author feel about pizza? I think the author thinks that pizza is the best food ever. It's kind of like the main idea here, right? Let's take a look at one of these questions. It says, what is the author's point of view on the topic? It wants me to underline it in red. What is the author's point of view on this topic? That's exactly the second thing that I was going to do, right? Let me go and grab the red crayon here. All right. I do think that pizza is the best food ever, is the author's point of view about pizza. Okay. Let's see. What are 3 reasons the author gives for his or her point of view? Well, I think right here, pizza is amazing because there's a variety. And then they go to explain the different types of variety. Okay. Pizza is a crowd pleaser. Almost everyone loves pizza. And then pizza is convenient because you can make it yourself. I think those are the 3 reasons that the author gave to us. So if I had to answer this question, let's see. I'm going to slide this over a little bit. Let's move this so I can type in my answer real quick. What is the author's point of view? I'm going to say the author thinks pizza is the best food ever, period. And what are 3 reasons the author gives? The author states pizza is the best because there are so many varieties, almost everyone loves pizza, and it is convenient to make. You can even make it yourself, period. Okay. Just gonna make that a little bit smaller so you can see it all. Okay, and there we have it. I'm gonna put this away. Those are my 2 answers. Okay. And the last question. I'm going to skip to number 4 right here. Do you agree or disagree with the author? Use at least 3 main points. Well, I'm going to say I agree with the author that pizza is amazing. I like a variety of toppings on my pizza. My kids are always up for pizza, so it is an easy dinner. I can always count on a frozen pizza if I am out of dinner options. All right, and that is showing that I agree with what the author is saying, and I gave my 3 reasons why. Okay, I'm going to peek back, just make sure that I did everything I was supposed to do. Did I identify the topic? Yes, it was pizza. The author's point of view was that pizza is the best food ever. I listed the 3 reasons that the author gave. I agreed, and I gave my own reasons of why I agree. All right, so there you have it, 3rd graders. That is author's viewpoint. Today you are going to go into a Google form, and there is a passage for you to read, and you're going to identify what the author's viewpoint is, and then you are going to say if you agree and you share the same viewpoint as the author, or if you disagree, and then you will explain why it is that you agree or disagree with the author. Kind of like listing your own reasons also. To say if you agree or disagree. All right, I hope that we have great weather. I hope that you are all doing very well, and have a great day.